The non-profit watchdog group White Coat Waste Project released a video last year showing one of the experiments, in which researchers essentially gave monkeys brain damage and practiced psychological torture with fake snakes and spiders. In December 2019, White Coat Waste Project, WCW, sued the National Institutes of Health, NIH, after it refused to release videos and other materials related to wasteful and bizarre psychological experiments on primates that have cost taxpayers nearly $100 million just since 2007. The video's Chiron reads, adding that some of the experiments have been continuously funded, as the watchdog detailed in February 2020. Never-before-seen videos released to WCW depict distraught monkeys chained by the neck in tiny cages being tormented with rubber spiders and mechanical snakes, objects the primates instinctively fear, just to observe their reactions. NIH, white coats, sucked out parts of these monkeys' brains or destroyed them with toxic acid to intentionally worsen the primates' fear. In the video, a callous NIH, white coat, can be heard joking, "Where the hell is the dancing monkey?" after one of the tests. According to the group, such experiments, which took place at the National Institutes of Mental Health, NIMH, in Bethesda, Maryland, have cost taxpayers over $16 million since 2007, and $1.7 million in 2019 alone. The cruel experiments are resurfacing after the White Coat Waste Project drew attention to Fauci's NIH division partially funding an experiment which involved locking beagles' heads in cages while allowing sandflies to eat them alive. The beagle puppies used in the experiment also had their vocal cords removed to prevent barking. According to The Hill, the beagles were infected with disease-causing parasites to test an experimental drug on them. The experiment transpired in a Tunisia, North Africa laboratory where as many as 44 beagle puppies endured what Representative Nancy Mace, RSC, referred to as a cruel and reprehensible misuse of taxpayer. Fauci's NIH division reportedly sent part of a $375,800 grant to a lab in Tunisia to conduct this experiment. People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, PETA, is now calling on Francis Collins, director of the National Institutes of Health, to be fired. The deadly experiments on dogs are proof that Fauci's boss is stuck in the failed science of yesteryear, Kathy Guillermo, PETA senior vice president, said. He is spending billions of dollars on studies that include infecting and cutting up dogs, frightening monkeys, and addicting mice to cocaine that don't lead to cures or vaccines while humans die from Alzheimer's, HIV, cancer, multiple sclerosis, ALS, and other deadly ailments.